In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the error you're getting for the 2503 as well as the 2502 error. So hopefully this should be able to resolve your problems without too much of a hassle. And we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start button just by left clicking on it one time. And now you want to type in this PC. And now you want to left click on the computer tab on the right here. So left click on computer. So left click on computer. And now underneath hard disk, you want to open up whatever your local disk is listed here. So I want to open that up. And now you want to go underneath Windows. So whatever the Windows folder is, you want to double click on it. And now you want to go down to get to temp right here. And you want to proceed to right click on it. And then select properties from the bottom of this context menu. Now you want to left click on the security tab. Now depending on what version of Windows you're running, there might be an edit button too. You want to left click on that. On Windows 7 it just says continue. You want to select continue. Just going to put that out there. Depending on what version of Windows you're running, it might look a little bit different. Okay, so you want to go down this list and you want to add or allow for all of these. So just click on this add button. So for each one of these you want to go down and select allow for all of them. So just for full control you want to go across and check mark inside this box. Do the same for all of them here. Make sure there's check marks inside all of them here. And then once you've done that, you can select apply. And if you receive a Windows security alert, you want to click on yes. And then click on OK to change the permission settings. And then once you've done that, you can click on OK to close out of the temp folder here. And now attempt to do what you were doing beforehand. I would recommend restarting your computer first before that. Try and rerun what you were having the problems with before, and hopefully your problem has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you out, and I look forward to catching you in the next video. Goodbye.